And hello again, this is again Constantine Su, your host for the California Audio Show. Standing next to me is Chris Stubbs from Japan, Sound Labs, Electrostats Japan. And here is Chris.
Hello everyone.
Yes, and Chris, please tell us a little bit about the new products you're bringing to the show this time.
So this time I'm bringing Sound Labs models which are constructed to have a more narrow profile. And that's basically determined by the number of cells across on the horizontal plane of the speaker. Specifically, our small speaker, small-ish speaker here would be a G7 3C. The 7 refers to an approximation of height, which is just a little bit lower than 7 feet. And it has 3 cells across, which we're in the United States, so inches would be about 20 inches in width. We also have G8 5C, and the 8 stands for approximately 8 feet, just a little bit under, and it has 5 cells across. I don't know exactly, it's about 30 inches or just over, I think, for that width. The sound, the electronics specifically, they're all the same for the Sound Lab models. All the backplate with the transformers, and the bias control, they're all the same for all the models. The difference actually is only in the size and the radiating area of the membrane, which is made of mylar. So technically speaking, they're the same speaker, they're just different sizes. Why do we make different sizes? And it's specifically so that you can fit them into your room. Everybody's room is different. You might have furniture, it might be a dedicated audio room, it might be a living room with other things in it, which means you need to consider the decor and the balance, the size, width. And we're trying to make it understood that there are several options. You could have 3 cells, 4 cells, 5 cells, 6 or 7 cells. Maximum is 7. And then the heights as well. So I think we have 2 very different models, the 3C and the 5C. Please come listen if you're in town. Definitely, it's worth the trip. Thanks. Okay.
Thank you. More to come.